अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे से नहीं आया था. So I must give credit where it's due. Pratik Arora came up with this idea when he used to work for MTV. He saw the world closely, and Shalini Sethi and they cooked up a story and came to Woot, and then the team there, उन्होंने develop किया this idea, the core idea, the Bible, and then I was brought on board, and then I took it and developed it my way. So, but अगर मैं कहूँ कि हमारी लाइफ में जो म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के बारे में हमारी अवेयरनेस है एज द ऑडियंस फर्स्ट, एंड देन एज समवन हुज बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर 18 years, एंड एज एन आर्टिस्ट, एज अ राइटर डायरेक्टर, आप पे भी जो बंदिशें होती हैं, जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, आपको क्या करना है, क्या करने कहा जाता है, सो कॉल्ड ट्रेंड, प्रेशर, कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, इन सब चीज़ों की झलक कहीं ना कहीं है. सो दिस इज़ दैट वर्ल्ड, द म्यूजिक वर्ल्ड, बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ द म्यूजिक वर्ल्ड, ये बनाया गया. बट देन देयर इज अ फिक्शनल पार्ट, अ फैमिली, रिलेशनशिप्स, लव, लॉस, ग्रीड, एम्बिशन, ऐसा कुछ. Yeah, because we didn't want to make a very clear-cut, hardcore niche show. We wanted the show to be, absorbed by the audience of all kinds, young and old. So yeah, which is why it is like a bouquet of emotions. A show like this needs very, very balanced sort of casting. Matlab, you can't cast all actors and expect them to, mouth the lines written by rappers. It's not just a playback. We've been seeing playback for, how many years. But rapping is a difficult ball game. You can't miss a beat. You can't look like you're fooling the audience. So we had to have a mix of both actors and rappers playing rappers, which is where I took a stand. And as you can see, we have Prabdeep playing a very important character in the show, EPR playing a very crucial part in the show. And when they spit lines on camera, it is a treat to watch. And then I must give credit to the other two, the so-called talented actors, Skand and Saloni, who have really made my life easy playing their respective parts. We had to have a mix of, actors like Ram Kapoor, Abhijit Dutt, Prakash Belavadi, Suchitra Pillai, and some very interesting upcoming actors as well. There are some actors playing themselves in the show, unlike EPR and Prabdeep. Like there's Rekha ji playing herself, Palash Da playing himself, Amit Trivedi playing himself. तो इस किस्म के नीति मोहन, अभिजीत सावंत, अनु मलिक, स्मॉल कैमियोस, इनसे जो मेक बिलीव कि हाँ ये वर्ल्ड सच में एग्जिस्ट करता है. So the barrier between the fiction and the real life is blurred. So वो ambition था. And I think we've done a good job. Yeah, there was a point when I was starting my career and I was I very clearly remember this. First day of my directorial career when I'm shooting a web series way back in 2012. My brother and I, we were directing this show and some creative from some channel came and she started clicking pictures and she said, this is what your frame should look like, you are in the wrong profession. वो बड़ा मज़ेदार था बिकॉज हम तो 6 साल की उम्र से सोच रहे हैं फिल्म मेकर बनेंगे, यहाँ दीदी बोल रही हैं. तो उन्होंने खलबली मचाई थी, बट पूरे दिन हमने असिस्ट किया, उनके विजन को फॉलो किया, पर ये रियलाइज़ किया यहाँ हम नहीं जी सकते. एंड वी पोलाइटली डिड आवर ओन थिंग. व्हाट वी डिड एक्चुअली गॉट अस मोर credibility as a filmmaker, and we realized we were in the right profession. So it was a lot of fun. क्योंकि आपको बताया जाता है आप ये नहीं कर सकते, and then you discover कि हाँ हम तो ये करने पैदा ही हुए थे. Good or bad वो देख लेंगे.
I think the whole notion when I picked up the pen, a lot of people said that कि आप politics पे गाने लिख रहे हो, वो चलेंगे नहीं, क्या फायदा करके, क्या फायदा. But I was headstrong and I was like a super arrogant person. I wanted to make a career out of it and I successfully did that. So yeah, that was a खलबली moment for me. Yeah.
मेरे तो खलबली शूट करना ही था. The day it started, like खलबली started in my life. didn't stop till now. But it's a good Khalbali. Yeah, good learning curve. Not just in acting and music, but in real life, like how collaboration happens. It's the space you have to give your collaborators a lot. Very amazing creative team we have on this. Yeah.
लाइफ में पूरे टाइम खलबली तो चलती रहती है, बट मेजरली आई थिंक आई रिलेट विद दीज गाइज एंड आई एम श्योर स्कंद रिलेट्स विद ऑल ऑफ अस. वी आर ऑन द सेम पेज इन द सेंस दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग व्हाट यू बिलीव इन एंड यू लव, बट यू आर कंप्लीटली डिस्ड एंड यू आर टोल्ड कि अरे बहुत बढ़िया एक्टर हो, लेकिन एंड यू लाइक ओके, one more day, another week, another month, another year, and you're like, मैं क्या सही कुछ सही कर रही हूँ लाइफ में कि नहीं कर रही. तो overcoming that, but then sticking your ground and just following what your heart says, what your intuition says.
I don't know why I haven't spoken about this since morning, but the Khalbali that we had on set when they were all boys. I mean, I should have mentioned this previously. I don't know why I didn't, because now when you were talking, मेरे को ध्यान आया कि यार there were so many days it was just us.
Yeah.
And boys being boys, I mean, you know how it is. We had a lot of fun when it was just me, him, and more than a couple of other people. We used to do night shifts. And had it not been for all of us being with each other, I think हम और कोई होता तो मार दिया होता उसको जान से. But we had a lot of fun. We listened to a lot of music. We laughed a lot. We ate really good food. तो मैं good खलबली शेयर कर रहा हूँ. हाँ?
I am feeling so much FOMO listening to this right now.
We had and Devanshu ke presence mein, and there has to be good food involved obviously. So this is the good Khalbali that I wanted to share, which was offset. All the vanities were parked right next to each other. और सब एक ही 10 लोग एक ही vanity में ठुसे हुए हैं. We are just having a blast there. So yeah, that is one Khalbali I thought I'll share. So Article 370 was shot after Khalbali. I shot this show first. Yeah, back. So Article 370 was shot later. There are just a couple of key points which make me relate to the character. A is music. It's a big part of my life, big part of Raghav's life. That is something that brought me really close to Raghav. And B, there's just some personal ways of life that I believe in, and that's how Raghav is also in the show. Very patient, very hardworking, knocked down in life more than a couple of times, but I still kept going. That is also something that Raghav does. I love having my people around me. Since decades, I've had the same 10 friends. I don't have a big circle, and I love them a lot. And exactly how Raghav is, empathetic, giving. So yeah, these are some basic things. And जो चीज़ें नहीं थी उस पर हमने काम किया देवांशु के साथ, सलोनी के साथ. Yeah.
She kind of is the balancing act wherever she goes. She tries to be at least. तो मैं करती हूँ ये बहुत बारी कि कुछ लाइफ में बैलेंस करने की कोशिश बहुत करती हूँ. जब I don't always succeed, obviously, like Ananya, but I do try. And I think the passion that she has towards what she does, I think I feel a similar fire within me. And एक बार प्यार में ढेर हो जाती है तो पागल हो जाती है. I think Ananya has that. Ananya has that. I have a little bit of it.
Thanks for picking up the energy. Really needed it. I think coffee is
Yeah.
I think the Vietnamese is kicking in right now.
Where did this come
और
from?
क्वेश्चन करें?
ये कहाँ से है यार? सुबह से तो एक भी बात नहीं बोला था.
पता नहीं कहाँ से है. पता नहीं.
Yeah, good. Okay, sorry.
And the strong headedness and the strong will to do things, I think I really relate to that.
What is one learning that you take back from this whole show?
From this whole show, as I developed Ananya, I think along the way I got really inspired by, as I just mentioned, the strong will that she had. तो मैं जब लाइफ में सोचती हूँ अपने बारे में कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, तो अपनी लाइफ की हीरोइन तो मैं बननी चाहती हूँ. तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरी लाइफ में जो हो रहा है ना, तो आई ट्राई टू लाइक decipher things out of what's happening in my life, where is universe taking me, or whatever, what signs am I receiving. So when I did this, if something was happening in my life, I was like, you got to be like Ananya, man. You got to do that with that strong will and that power. So I learned a lot from that. And I made great friends and learned a lot from these people and the other musicians, because I'm a music buff myself. And I realized the kind of individual voices. I had always heard their music, but sitting with them one-on-one, seeing what they've done in the show, how they've added to it, all the songs that they've given in the show, everyone has their such individual voices, and I love that about all of them. So I think I'm taking back a lot from them.
I mean, for me, I got to learn 3 P's from my director: persistence, patience, and perseverance. Because I used to rarely sit in my vanity. I used to walk out and see what is happening. So I have seen him change colors like anything. I have seen him happy and play cricket randomly. And then I've seen him super happy. Then I've seen him eat sweets. Then I've seen him frustrated because something is not in place correctly. Then so many different moods I've seen him in, and this person has kept his cool all throughout, and I've never seen such a hardworking person ever in my life. So it was a big lesson for me. I mean, like times like for us as artists, you know, we get done with things like very easily, like nahi karenge, chhod dete hain. But then a person like Devanshu sir comes in, and then he teaches you the value of, you know, whatever, when the going gets tough, tougher gets going, and just pick it up, let's keep on going, you know. So that's what I would take back from this show. That's the experience I got.
Prabdeep?
Very, very different from our industry for sure. Music industry and film acting, like this is very 2 different worlds, and different but same. It's a very tricky space. I saw similarities. Of course, like it's very time sensitive. When it's big production, a lot of people are involved. And you have to be precise. I think there is a lot of trust and patience that I saw in there, because we in the studio, like I like to do like this, like quick, like go hit, let's go. Like I don't want to wait. Like I've seen him waiting for that one moment very patiently with that 1 3-second clip. Like I noticed, like, okay, this is it. This is what I wanted from this particular. Like I remember, like you had when you enter the boardroom. Sorry, spoilers. ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगा, but like this very intense scene, like something very intense happened, and like you killed that, both of you. And I've seen you, like having, like your face was there, like ये चाहिए था मेरे को, and you were very patient for that one. I think it was just that 10 second of his eyes.
कौन सा वाला?
बता दो.
ललित
we shot
हाँ
in Hali.
after हाँ
तो ट्रेलर में मार दिया मैंने.
हाँ नहीं ये the way he walks in and like all of that, so like that patience I personally don't have that in the studio. Like I'm a मैं तो बहुत हार्ड रहता हूँ अपने collaborators पे. Like I'm good, like he didn't let me run the rooms.
कॉफी में कुछ तो है.
Swear यार, ऐसे मतलब क्या?
यार ये जो डिबेट्स उठाते हैं ना लोग, अंडरग्राउंड कमर्शियल,
Yeah.
ये वो लोग हैं जो है ही नहीं इस इंडस्ट्री में. बाहर से ये स्पेक्टेटर्स हैं. हम अंदर हैं, हमारे लिए ये अंडरग्राउंड और ये सारा इट्स जस्ट लाइक पुटिंग अस इन द बॉक्स.
Boxes, yeah.
मैं तो नहीं डालता. मेरे को 10 साल पहले अंडरग्राउंड बोलते थे, अभी अंडररेटेड बोलते हैं, थोड़ा टाइम बाद कमर्शियल बोलेंगे. मैं तो म्यूजिक ही बना रहा हूँ ब्रो शुरू से. एंड आई बीन working with labels is a very common thing. It should be a very common practice. Like read your contracts, get a lawyer. ये नए आर्टिस्ट्स को समझना चाहिए. लाइक 5,000 रुपये खर्च रहे ब्रो, 5 लाख बचाएगा आगे. Like so you should get little bit educated. अब तो इंटरनेट भी है, बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है. चैट जीपीटी खोल और की पॉइंटर्स निकाल क्या क्या होते हैं भाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. You know, सीधा and get this thing sorted. And I don't think, like for example Hanuman kind, you must have seen wait a minute, right? This like we know him.
Yeah.
We know him, like he's been dropping good music for a while now. Just blew up, got a deal from Capitol. What do you call him? Is he underground? Is he commercial? Like, so there are lines are blur now. We should not have this conversation anymore. We should just have conversation about good and bad music. Bad music out, good music in. That's it.